Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel 1 2 Step, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to log into your MyVSU account. Before getting started, if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon so that you get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open your Google Chrome or any web browser. Then on the search bar, type in MyVSU Login. Once you press enter, you will see this kind of results. From this, click on the first link and it will take you to this page. On this page, you'll have to enter your username and your password. So go ahead and enter your username and then enter your password. And in case if you don't remember your password, you can click on this link to recover your account. Once you have entered your correct credentials, you can click on the sign in button and you'll be logged into your account. That's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon so that you get notified every time we upload new videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.